Me golpeé el pinche dedo. Me golpeé el pinche dedo. Oh, wow. God bless America. Let me try to turn on the light, guys. Okay, oh, chingada madre. There you go. Let's just observe the fireworks now. Wow. Oh my God, there's so much fireworks everywhere. I love the pollution. Like, it's pollution. Like, it's beautiful, but it's dangerous. Like, you could lose your hand doing this. Like, it's dangerous, you know? I stubbed my toe. It hurts. Show us? I'm showing you guys. ¡Ah! Espérate, déjame poner la luz. There's a firework every second, so we just wait to observe. Look at there's one over there. Right there. Bro, I don't know where to put you guys. Ah! You guys keep on missing them. Sorry. Wow. Sorry about that. There's some there. Okay, there's one there. Every time I turn the camera, it like goes the other side. No chingues. Pinches mosquitos se metieron a la boca. Okay, there's one there. Oh, there! Finally. Finally, después de tanto tiempo. Wow, beautiful. A ver, let me put you guys. Oh, look it! Oh, finally! Let's make a wish. There you go. Make a Wish Foundation. Wait. So basically, the 4th of July is celebrating Independence Day, huh? Which Independence Day was in 1765. Wait, when is Independence Day? All my historians. What they did? 1765? Am I right? Oh, smart. I just said whatever number came to my head. But I think I subconsciously knew it was this set. God bless America, guys. Cheers to another year being free. Wow. Beautiful. Ay, hasta aquí huele a quemado. There you go. Oh, beautiful. You guys seen La Rosa de... Have you guys seen La Rosa de Guadalupe? Ay, cállate. Shut up, let me talk. Okay. Just when I'm about to talk and yap. Have you guys heard La Rosa de Guadalupe where this one kid se le mochó la mano doing fireworks? That's the reason why I don't like doing fireworks, because I'm so dumb and I have so much bad luck that if I get a firework, I'm literally gonna burst my hand open. Like, it's so scary. Okay, I think we should go back inside of the house, I think. Yeah. My sister better brought me the carne asada that I asked for. She better have brought it. I'm gonna call her actually, matter of fact. Let's call my sister to see if she... A ver. Hija de la chingada. A ver, let's call her. A ver. Damn, those houses are rich over there.
Wow.
Chris.
Wow.
Could you bring me carne asada? You are gonna bring me, right?
They only made a little bit.
Okay, then bye.
Right.
Bruh. Never mind. Ugh. She's probably shy to ask. Beautiful fireworks though. So beautiful. Should I cook myself? But I don't know. Order food and do a mukbang with us? Yeah, that would be good. That would be cool to do, but I don't know. Do you drive? Yeah, I drive. Dude, pero no puedes hacer driving. I know it's Freedom Day, but I'm not free myself. I'm not free to just drive. It's not Independence Day for me because I'm not independent right now. I cannot drive my car because insurance hasn't... They don't want to fix my car. And I'm not going to pay it out of my hand. The fuck, bitch? It's so like... I don't know how to do it. Like... They want more proof. What do you want? ¿Quieres que vaya y me robe las cámaras? They don't want... Like, I don't know. I don't know what to do. DoorDash? Imagine que me caiga. I mean, if I slip, no me muero, pero that sure would be painful. It's like 4 of me. So I'm 5'4", so it's like 15 feet high. Wait, me that one. I'll laugh, but you'll be okay. Why would you laugh about someone else? Why would you laugh about someone else's pain? That's not okay to laugh about someone else's suffering. Because karma's a thing. Dude, it actually is. Georgia Siwa was right. ¿Te ríes tú? Why am I yapping? We should just be giving you guys history lessons. Okay, so in 1765, George Washington and Thomas Jefferson and Benjamin Franklin signed the independence. No, I know exactly what happened, but right now I'm being a little stupid. Could one of you guys tell me what, so I could sound smart? Could one of you guys like write it all out? I know what happened, but I just forget. I haven't gone to high school in 2 years, so I already forgot. Low-key, I know more of my history from Mexico than here for some reason. It's my birthday. Oh, happy birthday, my love. ¿Dónde estás, güey? Primero que todo, yo no soy güey, yo soy güey. Esos son balazos. No, a veces los cholos se aprovechan de que es 4th of July y se echan uno que otros balazos. Like, pa, 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 pa. So some of them might not be cohetes. You have a big stain on your shirt. Just observe. Just look at the... We should be grateful that we have freedom, guys. Because there's places like North Korea that doesn't have freedom. Like, let's be grateful for a second. Sometimes people are like, oh my God, America this, America that. The United States this, the United States that. But I feel like we have most freedom than anyone else. So we should be grateful. Because we live in a first world country. You have a bug on your shirt? Where? You know damn well. Hi from New Zealand. New Zealand! You watch me from New Zealand? Stop lying. You know damn well you don't watch me from all the way over there. New Zealand. What? Esos son balazos. Esos sí son balazos, guys. But I feel like when you guys tell me that you guys are from a different country, you guys just moved. You guys are just in vacation. I don't think people genuinely like from another country watch me. Like people actually born and raised there. You're probably in New Zealand, but you're probably Mexican or something else. But I don't believe you. The bug is on your collar. Wait, that's not a bug. You like? Oh wait, is that a bug? This isn't a bug. You guys scared me. How much does it cost to like use those big? Like how much do those cost? How much do those cost? Show us? Okay. It's because I don't even know when they're gonna start throwing. But are they expensive? I heard people bring them from Las Vegas. Wait, guys, edit me. Inspirational firework moment. Let's wait for the fireworks to come. I need more fireworks. After that, edit me. Hi from Saupan. Where's Alpana? Keep on screen recording, and then after that, edit me. Okay, there. Is that enough? Is that enough of an edit or no? Did I look dumb or? There you go. Okay, I think that's it. Right, I'm so delayed. I do it once the fireworks left. What? What? Okay, there. That's it. Merch drop. I'm sorry if I haven't been seeing you guys' comments. Merch drops this Saturday, but we still need to figure something else, guys, because you guys know how the guy is not gonna be the one who's gonna print no more. So we need to figure. I love the sound of pollution. Cause baby, you're a firework. I think we're gonna be walking around here. Luckily, my phone's not actually dying this time. My phone always dying, but luckily I charged it. Wow. Oh, imagine I fall down. I always say, imagine I fall down. I don't. Thank you. Thank you so much. Woo-hoo! Okay. I hate seeing him. If you hate seeing me, then why do you... ¿Por qué me estás viendo? Ahora te saldré hasta en tus pesadillas. Hasta comentas, culero. Yeah. Thank you so much. Si odias verme tanto, ¿para qué me miras? No me mires. Voltea para atrás o... No sé, pero no me andes viendo. Nadie te está... ¿O acaso tu mamá te está diciendo, mijo, ponte a ver a Benji? Míralo, espérate, ponte a verlo. No, nadie te está... Oh, hi. What was that? Oh, yeah, you too. Bye. Thank you, you too. I was like, who's talking to me? Bro, this is so. I think this is the end of the fireworks show because bitch, I don't have a tripod and it keeps on falling down. Do you like fireworks? Yeah, I like seeing them. I like observing them, but I'm not like a big fanatic. Ooh, new word unlocked, fanatic. But what do you want? Hello? What happened? I can't hear you. Why does it feel like you're underwater? Okay, bye. I forgot I had my dad's phone. So we're gonna get down. I think I'm in the live though. This is pretty cool. But I think I'm gonna end the live. I love you guys so much. I might go live later on at midnight. Or maybe right now. I'm not sure. On my main though. I love you guys. Thank you so much for joining real quick. I just wanted to show you guys the fireworks real quick. Love you guys. I'll come back later. I promise. Well, maybe not later. I don't know when. I don't know what later means. Later could mean tomorrow, today, tomorrow in the night as well. Beautiful. Bye.